Hey, what's up guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the flashlight. It's nice and sturdy. I just got it in, charged it up. We're gonna turn it on. So as you can see, let me fix the focus. How's that? Okay. So it's nice and bright now. Without it, with it, and then again, you can extend that head out to close direction, or get like a wider light circumference that way. So this is all the way in, all the way out, the two extremes. You can do anything in between, but yeah, it's a great light. It really works well. It's nice and sturdy. It was pretty inexpensive compared to all the ones that I was looking at. So I'll be taking this one. This will be my main one that I'll be taking on camping, etc. And then I have another backup one, which is always a good idea to have. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.